Hello everyone, here I am Divya Ukole from IIPS DABB Indore. I am a 4th year student. I am here for giving the presentation and the topic of my presentation is Fibonacci series. So let's see what is Fibonacci series. This is a flow chart of a Fibonacci series is given. First in this we will initialize A is equals to 0, B is equals to 1 and let C be any variable. Then display A, then display B, C is equals to A plus B. That is 0 plus 1 will become 1. It will display as 0 comma 1 comma 1. Display C. Then A is equals to B. Means the value of B, that is 1, will come into A and the value of C will come in B, that is 1. Check if number is less than last number we have. If yes, then go to step number 5. If no, stop it. So let's come to Fibonacci series. What is Fibonacci series? In mathematics, Fibonacci series or the Fibonacci numbers are the numbers in the following integer sequence, that is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21 and so on. Fibonacci series is named after the Leonardo Fibonacci. In his book Liber Abaci introduced the sequence of Western European mathematics. Although the sequence had been described earlier in Indian mathematics, the sequence began either with initializing f0 equals to 0 or with f1 equals to 1. But Leonardo Fibonacci in his book Liber Abaci began the sequence with initializing f1 equals to 1 without initializing at 0. They are intimately connected with golden ratio. What is golden ratio? We will see in our slides. The Fibonacci sequence of a number starts as 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55. This is given by Leonardo Fibonacci. Or often in modern uses 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. How it will be formed? First in this we initialize f0 at 0 and f1 at 1. So 0 plus 1 becomes 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 13 is 21 and so on. How Fibonacci number is formed? 0 plus 0 will become 0, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 and so on. Fibonacci number is defined by recurrence relation, that is fn equals to fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2, where we will initialize f1 either with 1, f2 equals to 1 or with f0 equals to 0, f1 equals to 1. These are some day-to-day life example of Fibonacci number. Probably most of us never taken time to examine very careful number of arrangement of petal on a flower is often the one of the Fibonacci number. This is a one petal white calla. As we seen that 1 is a number belongs to Fibonacci series. Likewise trillium 3 petal flowers, columbine 5 petal flowers, bloodroot 8 petal flowers, 13 black-eyed Susan. These all numbers belong to Fibonacci series. Daisies with 13, 21, 34, 55 petals are quite common. Pineapple is also a good example of a Fibonacci series, that if you count the number of scales on a pineapple from top to down vertically, horizontally, you will find number that belongs to Fibonacci sequence. You will be surprised by hearing that the temple of Kedarnath or Padmanabham in Thiruvananthapuram, that buildings also based upon the Fibonacci sequence. They are built on the basis of Fibonacci series. If one can take the measurement of that temple, they will find a number that belongs to Fibonacci sequence. You will also surprise after hearing that the Statue of Liberty in New York is also built on the basis of Fibonacci sequence. If one find the measurement of that statue, they will find a number that belongs to Fibonacci sequence. So all that old temples, statues, building that are built on the basis of Fibonacci sequence is standing as it is till now date without any loss by the natural disaster or any disturbance caused by human. Many plants show Fibonacci number in the arrangement of leaves. If you count number of leaves on plant, you will find a number that belongs to Fibonacci series. The shell is also a good example of Fibonacci series. If you count the number of curve on the shell, you will find a number that belongs to Fibonacci series. Now let's come to golden ratio in Fibonacci series. Two quantities are in golden ratio if their ratio is same as the ratio of their sum to the larger of two quantities. It is denoted by Greek letter phi. दैट इज phi इक्वल्स टू 1 प्लस अंडर रूट 5 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 और phi कैप इक्वल्स टू 1 माइनस अंडर रूट 5 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. These are some application of golden ratio. Here are some application of golden ratio. The golden ratio in mathematics, geometry, life, universe show you how to apply it, and application are limitless. The dimension of Great Pyramid of Egypt with the geometry shown below, creating the angle of 51.883 degree, the cosine of which is phi. The art is also comes in application of golden ratio. Some good painter draw their painting on the basis of the Fibonacci series. That means they take the measurement of painting from the Fibonacci series and they used to draw it. The painting of Mona Lisa is also an application. Here are some advantages and disadvantages. So here comes an advantages and disadvantages. It makes the design look more natural and appealing. As we have seen example of shell, we cut the shell from middle, we can easily count the number of curve on that shell. So it makes the design look more natural, aids in deciding where the focus point should be located or where the main subject should be placed, guides the viewer's eye through the pictures. It uses the ratio of 1:1.618. Disadvantages: you don't find the right focus point and still apply this rule and result might end up awkward. Tricky to use. How to use it? You can achieve the golden section through the following: dividing whole according to golden ratio and dividing whole according to golden spiral. Now here comes an algorithm. Algorithm में क्या करेंगे? Algorithm Fibonacci and if की condition लगाएंगे. If n is less than equals to 1 then write n. अगर n 0 है तो 0 इज लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 1, ऑब्वियसली यस, देन राइट n, दैट इज 0 को राइट कर देगा. देन 1 इज लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 1, यस, देन राइट 1. अगर नहीं है तो एल्स की कंडीशन चलेगी. एल्स में क्या होगा? अपन एफ एन m2 एक वेरिएबल लेंगे, उसमें 0 डाल लेंगे और एफ एन m1 में अपन 1 डाल लेंगे. देन i को चला देंगे 2 to n तक. सो एफ एन में एफ एन m1 प्लस एफ एन m2 को ऐड कर देंगे. दैट इज एफ एन m1 अपना 1 है प्लस 0 को ऐड करेंगे तो 0 प्लस 1 विल बिकम 1. सो एफ एन m2 में अपन एफ एन m1 की वैल्यू डाल देंगे. दैट इज कितनी थी अपनी 1, तो 1 एफ एन m2 में 1 चला जाएगा और एफ एन में जो वैल्यू आई थी दैट इज 0 प्लस 1 करने के बाद वो एफ एन m1 में चली जाएगी और ये राइट करता जाएगा. ओके, ये अल्गोरिथम है रिकर्सन के लिए. तो आर फिबोनाची एन, इफ एन, ये इफ की कंडीशन एन इज लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 1, रिटर्न. अब इसमें अपन ने टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी निकाली है. टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी में क्या करा है? ये एग्जीक्यूशन स्टेप्स लिखी है, कितने बार एग्जीक्यूट होगा, ये फ्रीक्वेंसी जब n इक्वल्स टू 0,1 होगी, n ग्रेटर देन 1 होगी, ये टोटल स्टेप्स है. एग्जीक्यूशन ये एक बार एग्जीक्यूट होगा, ये भी मिनिमम एक बार एग्जीक्यूट होगा, ये 2 बार होगा, ये एक टाइम होगा, ये भी एक टाइम होगा, ये 2 बार होगा, ये एक टाइम होगा. फिर फ्रीक्वेंसी जब n इक्वल्स टू 0, तो 0 इज लेस देन 1, ऑब्वियसली यस, तो ये वाली स्टेप एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगी, ये वाली स्टेप एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगी 0 के टाइम पे जब n इक्वल्स टू 0 होगा. बाकी सब एक भी एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगी, वो बाहर चले जाएगा. तो ये सब 0 हो जाएंगे जब n ग्रेटर देन 1 होगा. दैट मीन्स जब n 2 होगा तो ये एक बार एग्जीक्यूट होगा, राइट नहीं करेगा, ये एल्स के पार्ट में चले जाएगा, ये एक बार एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगा, ये वाली स्टेप n टाइम एग्जीक्यूट होगी क्योंकि इधर लूप लगा है i is 2 to n, तो ये n टाइम एग्जीक्यूट होगी, ये वाली स्टेप n-1 टाइम एग्जीक्यूट होगी, ये वाली भी स्टेप n-1 टाइम एग्जीक्यूट होगी और ये लास्ट में राइट कर देगा, ये भी एक बार एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगी. टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स हम एग्जीक्यूशन को फ्रीक्वेंसी के n ग्रेटर देन 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 1, ये 2 into 1 is 2, 1 into n is n, 1 into n-1 is n-1, 2 into n-1 is 2 n-2 और 1 into 1 will be 1. सो इसको अपन टोटल ऐड करेंगे 2n 3n 4n, ये -3 हो जाएगा, 2 + 1 3 + 3 से -3 कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो 4n + 1 बचेगा जो अपनी टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी हो जाएगी. सो थैंक्स फॉर लिसनिंग, हैव अ नाइस डे.